Taylor here with BoogeyLights. Taking a look at this 2020 Ram 2500. This is a custom installation where the customer wanted, he's got a dilemma whenever he takes his truck and he has his tailgate down and he's towing, whether it be his back or his motorcycles or whatever, that he has his tailgate down. He said that sometimes he's worried about being seen from other cars, getting rear-ended, things like that. And he wanted to originally do a light strip right here underneath the tailgate. But as I stated earlier, when you have that tailgate down, that becomes an invisible location there. So we did a little brainstorming here at BoogeyLights and came up with a towed tail light bar. So what we have here is a 4-foot aluminum 90-degree channel. We took two 2.5-foot LED, single color red LED strips and mounted them with our 3M adhesive backing to the aluminum channel. We have a 4-foot, two 4-foot 4-conductor cables here running to a 4-flat trailer disconnect. So here's how you install this. You're going to take your aluminum channel. We used a 3M quick lock product here to actually mount the channel. It's very simple. You're going to line up your quick locks. You're going to give it 4 pats just like that. And now you're going to want to feed this down and plug this into your trailer disconnect. Just like that. Just line up your plugs. You want to make sure your plug's all the way in. So, there we have it. And you can put, mount that as you will as you're going down the road. You don't really have to worry about that going anywhere. So now that we have everything connected, light bar is on there sturdy. You can certainly get this off with a little bit of force, but you have no reason to worry about that coming off. And now when I go in, first I'm going to hit the running lights here. You will see the running lights come on. You will see the light bar come on with the running lights. Now we're going to hit the left signal. And you'll see how that left signal lights up there with the truck tail light. Now we're going to do the right signal. You'll see the same thing, and you see how much visibility that gives you when you're going down the road. It's so much easier to see that light bar with somebody, especially if you got stuff hanging out of the back of your tailgate. And now we have your brake light. So that's pretty much it. So there, yeah, you can see how easy this was to put on. Now we're going to show you how easy it is to take off. Just give a little bit of a pry. You'll hear those quick locks come disconnected. Now you're going to come down here, pull your trailer connect out, and then feed your wire back through, and there you have it. Our BoogeyLights towed tail light bar. Everything you see here was done in-house at BoogeyLights in Florence, Kentucky. Give us a call and get lit up today.